Need an alternative service shop for your Harley Davidson motorcycle? Check out Motorhelmets in Fullerton, California, North Orange County, near La Habra, Brea, Yorba, Santa Ana, and Cerritos. They service and repair Harleys, cruisers, and metric bikes for the LA and OC area in Southern California. They stock riding gear from helmets, gloves, jackets, and boots. Looking for tires? Check Motorhelmets first before making that purchase. They sell tires at extremely competitive prices and will do the mount and install. Make your appointment online or call 714-879-8180. They're open Monday to Saturday, off the 5 and 91 freeway.